busy. Hey, I'm here with Jerry. We're going to Subway. Eat flesh.
Eat flesh.
Eat flesh. Eat flesh. Subway eats flesh. Anyway, Subway's just right there, so yeah. We're going to walk the entire way to Subway. Yeah, let's get to Subway. How do we cross? Like, how do we cross?
Wait for them to slow down.
Wait for them to slow down. Oh, we gotta go down that boardwalk. Let's go. Oh, we gotta go up to that crosswalk. Yeah. So, how's this trip been going so far? We're on day 3, right? Three. No.
Day 2 of Florida.
Day 2 of Florida, because technically, 2 of those days.
Yeah.
One of them we were just actually traveling, and the second day we were traveling, plus half a day where it was just stormy as all can be.
I see the Jeep crossing, we're going, okay?
Alright. Alright, you ready? Now that's how you jaywalk. No, we gotta go down that way. Hold up, let's go up the stairs. We're getting close to Subway, I can feel it.
Here?
No, not here. That's there. And
Here?
No. How about the sign that says open with new fresh milks? Let's try that. First we get in the meal, What kind of meat, Jerry? We got finished with our trip to Subway.
Yep.
Subway, eat for there's a bottle right over there. Right back there. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Hey, let's jump at the same time. We're gonna appear in the place. Ready and jump. What? We're back. Well, we're in our condo now. Hold up. I almost screwed it. All right, let's taste test the meatball marinara. Good as always. 10 out of 10.